Ever tossed and turned at night, worried about your online safety? In today's hyper-connected world, it's a concern that's becoming more and more pressing. Not to worry though, guidance is at hand. Firstly, let's tackle the cornerstone of online security: passwords. Crafting a robust, unique password for every account is an absolute must. Resist the temptation to go for the low-hanging fruit like 123456 or password. Those are keys to a door that cybercriminals just love to walk through. Moving on, it's time to talk about phishing emails, a cybercriminal's favorite bait. An email that raises an eyebrow, asks for personal details, or just feels off is like a red flag at a bullfight. Do not, under any circumstances, click any links or part with sensitive information. Now, onto device and software updates. They might seem like pesky interruptions, but they're akin to your digital armor. Regular updates patch up security vulnerabilities, keeping your data out of the clutches of hackers. Don't delay those updates. Embrace them. Another key player in the team against cyber threats is a reliable antivirus software. Think of it as your digital bodyguard, fending off malware and other nefarious cyber threats. This extra shield can thwart many a potential attack. Lastly, but by no means least, be selective about what you share online. Oversharing personal details on social media platforms can be akin to handing out copies of your house key. Keep the risk of identity theft at bay by keeping your personal information, well, personal. To wrap things up, these steps can significantly bolster your online safety. It's all about keeping vigilant, staying updated, and being mindful of what you share. Don't forget to hit subscribe to stay in the loop with more tips and tricks for navigating the digital world. Remember, in the realm of online safety, knowledge truly is power. Stay safe out there.